Hey up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add favorites to Instagram. First guys, what you need to do is just simply go and launch application, and then when you're on your feed side, as you can see on my upper side on the Instagram, I have a button for requesting. Click on that button, and here as you can see you have two options for following and for favorites. I need to choose the second one. And here as you can see, I don't have any matches on this favorites list on my account. What I need to do to add is just go for the section with a blue line. Click on it, and now here you can add your favorites. For example, this one, get back. Now when you get back, as you can see, it says discard favorite list. You can create a list later from your profile settings. Now we'll go with confirm favorites, and here you can just find out photos or just stories from the favorites that are chosen by your site. Let's get back and show you again. Now what you need to do is simply be on your feed, then again click on the button beside Instagram on your upper side, and then go and select the second option. Here as you can see are the favorites on your Instagram profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.